Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to record a phone call in iPhone. Okay, almost all of the newest iPhones have supporting the call recording feature. And how to access this? Very simple. Open your dialer, then dial your number or just call a contact. Then you can see the keypad. That section show one button is called More. Click on that More button. Then you can see option of record code. Then tap it. First time you have to agree some buttons like their terms and conditions. Okay, once you done that, simply just press call recording, and it will be give one announcement that this call will be recorded, and 1 to 3 seconds within record will start. Now do that. Watch my video. Here is that. Okay, and see.
എയർടെല്ലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ആദ്യ പ്രയോറിറ്റി പോസ്റ്റ് പെയ്ഡ് ഇപ്പോൾ എയർടെല്ലിൽ ലൈവ് ആണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ക്ലൗഡ് ആയാൽ പോലും സൂപ്പർ ഫാസ്റ്റ് സ്പീഡ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്യാം.
This call will be recorded.
ഒന്നമർത്തുക.
For English, press 2. हिंदी के लिए 3 दबाएं.
ആവർത്തിക്കുന്നതിനായി
This call is no longer being recorded.
After ending the call, you can access the call record by the notification view last record call, or open your notebook note application. Then there is option of call recording, then open call recording, then play it. So that's very simple, guys. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.